This thing can break quicker than a glass mirror falling from a 10-story building. If you've tried using this and you've probably got some JSON error, some error, and you're stuck and you're not so technical, so you don't know what to do. What I'm about to show you is a way to get back up and running, but without all of the technical knowledge. I'm talking about ClawLauncher. It's basically a way to install, but it's also a way to fix OpenClaw. So even though if you've already installed it and now it's broken and you're like, you've given up, you're basically, I'm fed up of this crazy little robot, and you just want to fix it, you can literally fix it in one click. It's basically, you can just restore to different versions of OpenClaw. You can create restore points. You can reset your credentials all from inside the OpenClaw interface. So as you can see, it's only $49 for the basic package, but let me actually demonstrate it instead of talking about it. You have settings. Now, in the settings sections, there's tons of things you can do to fix your OpenClaw. Some of the most recommended, if you have big problems, is just to start fresh. You click on remove settings and start from scratch. That's one of my recommended one. Once it's working and everything's good, what I recommend you do is create a safety restore point. Now, I create tons of these whenever something works, and then I create another one. That way I can always restore back to that moment, so I never have a dead OpenClaw. Like, he could get ill, but then I go back in time and restore it. And that functionality is only available with the ClawLauncher. Additionally, you can ask AI or actually contact us if you need help, so you're not alone with OpenClaw. That way you can start automating your life and getting things done without breaking every second hour. Trust me, I've been using this. I know this thing breaks all the time. I know. I've been there. How do I know? Because it's happened to me. It's happened to my friends. It's happened to everyone I know. That's why this ClawLauncher is not a luxury. It's a necessity, even for developers. I'm talking to developers as well, but I'm also talking about to the average user who just wants the one-click install. For those of you who've never tried OpenClaw before, this is perfect. It's a one-click installation and it just works. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.